All right, tonight we will be making tostadas. I'm super excited. So what we have here is some crunchy shells, organic grass-fed beef, a tomato, we have some cheese, some salsa, sour cream, refried beans, avocado, and we have some lettuce. So the first thing we're going to do is fry some beef up. So I'm gonna add a little bit of sour cream to the beans. I was watching this What's for Dinner video. This is inspired by this channel. She made tostadas and she added a little sour cream. She says it makes it kind of like the beans more creamy. So I'm gonna try that. Also a little cheese as well. All right, now the fun part, we're gonna start assembling them. Start with the beans first. Put a little bit right here and just smooth it out. All right, after you do that, you take some of this ground beef. Oh my God, it's really good. And you put a little bit on here. And it's a little bit of water. It's like kind of like nice and saucy. I'm gonna have more leftovers tomorrow. And then I didn't use all the ground beef, but tomorrow for lunch I'm gonna make like a hamburger instead of a vegetable. We're gonna add some lettuce. This is in a bag. I did chop it a little bit more, a little bit like that, and add a lot of lettuce. And we're gonna sprinkle on some tomatoes, like that. All right, now we're just gonna add some avocado. And sprinkle some cheese on top. All right, now we're gonna add some sour cream. All right, the last step is just gonna add some salsa. Guys, this is gonna be so good. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat it. There it is, guys. I'm so excited to do my video. It's gonna be amazing, I know it. All right, here they are, tostadas. I cannot wait to try them now. I'm excited. Let's try it out. That's good. I forgot the lime. So I have some lime. I put the other lime slice in like my water. I don't know why I did that because I really want more lime in here. Can't get much lime out of here. There we go. All right, let's try it now. It's kind of soggy because it took me a while to set up, but Oh, let's go with the lime. Very good. Now, I did a video making tostadas before, homemade tostadas. But they were very simple. I went to the taco truck and all it was the shell, the beef, maybe some onion, and maybe some sauce. I mean, it was very simple. No sour cream, no cheese. And this taco truck, I just loved it. It just was very simple. This is kind of breaking apart a little bit because I had to do my thumbnail over here. Then I did my video over here. So, oh my god, it's so hard to eat. Very messy, but very, very good. So this recipe I found on a What's for Dinner video. I want to give her a shout out since I made her recipe. Pretty much how she made it. The only difference is she used a different kind of cheese. And instead of like salsa, she used like hot sauce, I think. But I like salsa. I've been craving salsa and I was out for a while. I might have overfilled these because it's like falling apart, as you can see. But I think afterwards I'm just gonna skip it with a spoon, so I'm not like wasting it or whatever. Like everything just fell out just now. I'm eating like a taco now. It's mostly falling apart. So I don't have a lot to talk about in this video, but I thought I would just read some comments. I made a tostado video homemade. I'm actually watching it right now, and it definitely doesn't look as messy, but I definitely added less toppings, a lot less. In this video, I didn't add beans, I didn't add sour cream, I didn't add cheese, so it's a lot less. But since we're having tostadas tonight, I thought I would just read some comments from 3 years ago, guys. Some of these people don't follow me anymore, but the first one's on the top of the list. It's on the top of the list. Oh, this is going to be a long comment. Who do you think it's from, guys? Guess. Bears and Butters. Here's the comment I'm going to read. I'm going to take a few bites. Alright, Bears and Butters. Hey Karebear, it was great to see you make homemade tostadas. We love avocado on everything as well. And lime. Looks so yummy. Good thing you're eating iceberg lettuce instead of romaine with the E. coli issue going around. No, this is 3 years ago. We love Voss water as well. So in the video I was drinking Voss water. It's from Norway and it tastes the best out of all the water. I do agree on that actually. I haven't had Voss water in a while. It's expensive. Did you do this mukbang in the laundry room? We think we're here in the dryer. Yeah, so yes, back then I was living with my sister's house, and so my bedroom was next to a washer and dryer. So yeah, you did hear the dryer. Your niece, Cake, we were giving her a fake name. Not a fake name, but we're giving her like a name of a sweet. So we were naming her Cake. She was reading comments from a previous video. Your niece, Cake, is too cute reading all your comments. So sweet. Great video, and we hope that you have a great weekend and Merry Christmas. Lots of love to you. And that was from... When did I post this? I don't remember, but I think it was November. Tiffany Dean. Those look delicious. Did you fry the tortillas yourself or buy them? I did buy them. No cheese? Huh. I'm just a huge cheese lover. It looks like an amazing taco salad with the lettuce. Yum. Yeah, I didn't have cheese. I don't know if I was trying to be dairy free or paleo free at this time. I was trying to be paleo for a little bit. But they were good without the cheese. Alicia Mendoza looks yummy. Yeah, they were. Catherine Albany. They look yummy. I love the little Christmas tree figure. More power, Karen. Foodie Jean. Those look and sound so delicious. Now I need tostadas. Now Foodie Jean does come on the videos quite a bit. Just Joni, you love your homemade cook meals. Thank you. I'm not really sure if she watches my videos, so I'm not really sure. Now this person I haven't really seen. Some people just stop watching my videos, so that's cool. It is what it is. And also I stopped YouTube on this channel. I stopped making videos on this channel for 6 to 8 months because I was getting monetized. So you know what? I'm just gonna make all my videos on my Karebear channel. Then I got monetized, and I went back, and then people just stopped watching me because I just quit for a while. And I recently did a TikTok video. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so glad I found you on TikTok. I've been looking for your videos, and I couldn't find them. So it's like, but here we go. Team Dave and Mom, simply amazing. Looks delicious. Thanks for sharing. Rebecca Pack, those look so yummy, and yay, another cooking video. These are my favorite videos. Thank you, Rebecca, if you're watching. I think she does like my taco videos. She might be watching. Rebecca's on TikTok a lot, so she's not on YouTube as much. I'm gonna have to fold this. This got soggy, so it's because I had it set up, and it just when you film a mukbang video, guys, it just sometimes the food's cold. So that's how it is. So this may not be the best video because everything's falling apart. That's good. I've been missing the salsa so much. I was out for such a long time. The C Squad. Yum, they look great, Karen. Lori Lorenzo. Making me hungry again, Karen. Love your little niece. May you have a blessed Christmas. Thank you. Elysia Z. If you like cheese and sour cream, take it to another level. Yeah, I didn't add cheese and sour cream to this video. Romeo's eating channel. I was like, man, that's a lot of lettuce, haha. Alicia Mendez, Merry Christmas. Dennis Brushy, nicely done video. Kudos to you. Happy holidays, Karen. Apple bomb looks, oh my god, bomb. But I would only make 2. Way too big and bulky. I agree. 2, honestly, 2 tostadas is I would probably just have 2. Not have to eat all this. But I thought I'd be a much better video if I had 3. More is better mukbangs, right? Let me know. Anna, first to like, hey, you got the best tortillas, Guerreros. Like I told you, laugh out loud. She likes the brand I got. I don't have it with me. But you guys saw the brand I got with the tortillas. She loves that brand. I'll read one last comment from the C Squad. Your niece read our comment with the heart emoji. Yeah, because my niece was reading comments. And that used to be the same for a while for mukbang videos. I might start doing that. I really like watching my older videos, and I think it's kind of fun to read comments from 3 years ago to see, are you guys still watching who wrote this? But this is really good. I put a whole avocado in here. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Yeah, but I don't know why. I've been watching my older videos for a while, like 3 years ago with my sister's house, and maybe I like watching my videos because I know that I changed. You know, my voice was a lot softer and it had a lot of self-confidence. Maybe that's why I like them, or maybe just because it's different. I don't know. What do you guys think? Those that you've been here, a lot of you haven't seen my older videos from 3 years ago, but some of you have. But like Minnie, I know she's been watching me, and the C Squad, and the Bears and Butters, the Bears and Butters, Foodie Junie, she's been watching me for a long time. Rebecca, I don't know about these other comments. Applebaum, Anna, they've been watching me for a long time. Yeah. So like, do you guys prefer my older videos or my videos now? I also ate pretty bad at that time as well. So if I try to eat healthier, every so often I might do an unhealthy video, mix it up a little bit. Like I do want to make chili spaghetti soon. And I'm still trying to do my Filipino videos. If I can do one Filipino video a week, I can have everything ready to go in 5 weeks, but I'm hoping, but I'm not sure. One more bite, I'm getting really full. This is very filling. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.